Today on Moonshine Mixology, we are going to make a Moonshine Mary. Now you can use a pre-made Bloody Mary mix, but I prefer to do it by hand. We're going to start with 4 ounces of tomato juice. This is actually 5.5 ounces. I'm just going to use the whole thing. We're going to dump that into a shaker with some ice. We're going to add ½ ounce of lemon juice. We're going to add some horseradish. Now I like horseradish. If you don't like horseradish, or if you don't know if you like horseradish, start with about 1/4 teaspoon, something like that. If you got fresh horseradish, all the better. I'm going to use about, I don't know, that's maybe 3/4 teaspoon, something like that. Maybe a teaspoon. I love horseradish. We're going to add a couple dashes of Tabasco. We're going to add a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. It may have been a little more than a couple dashes. And our secret ingredient, pickle juice. I like pickle juice. To me, the pickle juice and the horseradish together really set this off. I'm going to go with 1 ounce of pickle juice. Maybe about 3/4 ounce. There we go. Just use any kind of pickle juice you have in the refrigerator. I would avoid the sweet stuff. Just make sure it's the dill. 1 ounce of moonshine. This is just straight corn liquor. About 100 proofs what I'm using. We are going to shake this up. Make sure that lid's not going to come off. Oh, yeah. Now when you strain this, most of that horseradish is going to come out of there. So you're not going to get most of the horseradish is going to stay in your shaker. You're going to get some. We're going to filter it into a glass. Just make sure you use a glass big enough to hold what you put in your shaker. There we go. We're going to garnish it with some olives. I like olives. Stalk of celery. There it is. Only thing left is to enjoy.